Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will be going over how to connect your Square account to your Etsy shop. First, you want to make sure that you're logged into Square and Etsy. This will help make this integration go smoother. Now, in your Etsy dashboard, in your left-hand side, we will go to Sell in Person. This will open up the Square dashboard inside your Etsy account. First, you'll see some information regarding Square and then some FAQs about how Square and Etsy work together. Now we will go to I already have a Square account, and this will open up the Etsy permissions for Square. They will like to receive the information for your profile, your item library, how to be able to modify your item library, view your payments history, and view your Square orders. This will help with Etsy and Square working together. So we'll click allow. Now that that is together, you're now redirected back to your Square dashboard where you'll see sync your listings, and we will click that. It takes a little time to connect them, but after it will update, so you'll be able to choose a location. If you have a single location, it's automatically the first one. If there's a second or third, you can choose that here. Then you'll also be able to disconnect this Square account from your Etsy shop, clicking this button here. Below, you'll see FAQs that were on the page previously, and after some time, we will see that our listings are synced and the last synced would be updated. Now we'll go back to our dashboard, and that is how you add Square to your Etsy shop.